Oh. So let us do it by table. By table. So this one is group 1. You may join here. Here, Angie. Check out. Check out. There, what? Check out. Stop at the video. Okay. Activity non-avail. Wala ang tato dyan mambasa siya. Group dyan, di ba? No. Say pa sinjo, basa dyan so instruction. And then, amagjo. Wala dyan. Iya scoring sheet ni group 1. Akas dyan. Di ba hadjay so tanay pasas dyan? Scoring guide dyan ni Dapcar. Ay, scoring sheet dyan ni Dapcar, di ba? Words, addition sentence, and total. So that I will know that you know how to solve your mathematics, you add your score. Also, the total down. Singat lang so impas-pasing tayo nuntan. Di ba?
Yes.
Aliban siya mo dyan mong magninagsa. Okay. Te.
May dep card niya yun.
Yay. Sakit mo. One. Iyaya. Okay. No, if ako ready, idugidyo, tapos nung na siyang kayo magkalangaw. Do not be noisy. Okay? But instead, if you are the first to have finished, clap once. If you're the second, clap twice. Momentum one. And if you're the third, clap thrice. Okay? Instruction clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, idugidyo lang. You usually do in your math subject and use it in sentence. Underline the action word in your sentence. Okay. Alam, you see mo, basta ay, siya ba? Sa kagrupuan? Angie. Basta, so sentence, then insulat mo. At ikwan mo, i-action word. Maadyo kayo underline na. Underline na dyo ba? Basta ikwan mo.
Jay sentence made in Magmay. Flora and Angie add numbers. The quantity man you usually do in your math subject yan man add kami no math.
Very good. Add.
Mag-underline ang kuha. So nga add.
Next, underline nyo na. What?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 2.
Number 2. I count my money every day. Bilbilangan ko.
Very good. Say, ang taduno, kulangan mo no?
Ay, siya na tayo. Nuway mangmangda iba.
So, let us have the addition. So, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So let's have 4 claps for them. Is kami group 1. Group 2, yan mo. Using the dog card, form 2 action words about the pictures. Use it in sentence, record your score. Okay. Si Ma'am for shy. Sikat, ma'am. Basa mo yung mga sentence.
Yes, this is the first picture. Sentence made, the boy prays. At manluluwa ni Matiman. Next picture, yay. Mansagsada. Sentence made, she dances gracefully.
Okay, she dances gracefully. 1, 2, karot, action word siya eh. The boy prays. Oh, raise your hand. Sika to yak na ko, hindi.
Praise God.
Praise. Oh, very good.
Praise ma'am.
Very good, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, so hindi, asa na kay ano? Dismissal. Well, sa ito ka na kanan siya. Class. Ay, tumakan ko. Number 2. She dances gracefully. Tuwag man, i-action word.
Sikat mo na.
O, di malin mo naman.
Dances ma'am.
Okay, very good. Dances. Group 3. Iyan mo na dyan, group 3. Si Taiwan report.
Si Van ma'am.
Ala. At man sinutin. Si Van kami naman. Siya. Hala ka naman. Pasang ka yung words in your eye in months.
Word. Play.
Okay.
Read.
Read. Okay. Let us see the story. 5, 11. That is, pick up. 11 plus 5. Oh, very good. Plural. 16. Plus 9. Plus 9. 16 plus 9. 25. 25. Plus 5. 30. Very good. Okay, so, hi saya, nantawan 4 claps. Man, saya mo. Very good. I-atay mo nung correct mo lang i-flash. Yan. Oh. Nani man? Ma'am. 10.
Sanitan.
Supusan. Next time, iparas do dyan. Nandun ako, no work.
Dinis.
Dinis, very good. Hindi ko may eraser siya. O, 10 plus 8. 18. Correct mo matlang. O, 4 claps. Okay, so, next day tayo, invatan Juma?
Yes, ma'am.
Piyan Juman mandang card?
Yes, ma'am.
Busi ka kung ako, tidagan Juni alas 12, alipan so? Ba't ba't So, hamay, narod, yari.